Hello student, welcome in KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science College, Nasik. Myself, Veer Shinde. Student, in previous lecture we have seen factors affecting on outer sphere mechanism and inner sphere mechanism. Also we have covered outer sphere mechanism in detail as well as inner sphere mechanism in detail. So in today's lecture we are going to discuss excited state of outer sphere electron transfer reactions. Okay student, so let's focus on this diagram. This diagram shows the excited state of ruthenium complex. See student, the redox properties of transition metal complexes may change dramatically if it has absorbed energy and exists in an excited state. There are many transition metal complexes which change their redox property when they absorb the energy and exist in an excited state like this complex. So most important complex in such category is tris 2,2 bipyridine ruthenium second cation, which we can write like this: ruthenium bipyridine 3 2 plus. Okay, so this is your complex ruthenium bipyridine 3 2 plus. Okay, when this cation absorb light at 452 nanometer, when this complex absorb light at 452 nanometer, the excited state gives ruthenium bipyridine 3 2 plus having double star. Okay, now this complex relaxes to relatively long-lived one. Now this complex relaxes to long-lived complex which gives ruthenium bipyridine 3 2 plus star. Okay, so the electronic transition involved in such cases means metal to ligand charge transfer. Electronic transition involved in such cases are metal to ligand charge transfer, in which a d electron of ruthenium is promoted to pi antibonding orbital of one of the bipyridine ligand. Okay, in such cases electronic transition is involved like metal to ligand charge transfer. In such cases the d electron of ruthenium is promoted to pi antibonding orbital of one of the bipyridine ligand. So thus the excited state of complex, so this is the excited state, may be formulated as ruthenium second bipyridine 2 bipyridine 2 plus. Okay, because the in such cases electron transition is like metal to ligand charge transfer transition, where d electron from ruthenium is excited to, or it transfer to pi antibonding orbital of one of the ruthenium. So we can write it as a ruthenium second bipyridine 3 2 plus as ruthenium second bipyridine 2 bipyridine 2 plus. Okay, I again repeat, the redox properties of some transition metal may change when they absorb light and exist in an excited state. One of the most important example in such cases is tris 2,2 bipyridine ruthenium second cation. Okay, when this complex absorb light at 452 nanometer, the excited species first form this complex, then it relaxes to long-lived complex, that is ruthenium bipyridine 3 2 plus. Okay, when and in such cases the transition like metal to ligand charge transfer transition, where the d electron from ruthenium may transfer to pi antibonding orbital of ligand, one of the bipyridine ligand. So we can write this complex as a ruthenium second bipyridine 2 bipyridine 2 plus. Okay student, so the availability of an electron in a ligand antibonding orbital make this excited state cation a much better reducing agent than the ground state cation. Okay, as we have already transferred electron in antibonding orbital of ligand, so the availability of an electron in the ligand antibonding orbital makes this excited state cation as a better reducing agent than the ground state cation than ground state cation, and also the hole created at the ruthenium center because it gives the electron. So obviously hole created at the ruthenium center enhances its electron seeking power, and it act as a better oxidizing agent than it was in a ground state. Okay, it act as a better oxidizing agent as it was in a ground state. Okay student, so this is the basic of excited state of this complex. So now see some reactions. I think now you can easily understand by this diagram. See, interest in ruthenium bipyridine 3 2 plus skyrocketed after Creutzfeldt and Sutin suggested that it has possibilities for photochemical cleavage of water. Now I show here photochemical cleavage of water. H2O. Here is photochemical cleavage of water, which gives H2 in gaseous form plus half O2 also in gaseous form. This is your reaction 1. Okay. So this is the photochemical cleavage of water. Also we can show the reduction and oxidation of water as follows. Reduction on and oxidation of water. 2 electron plus twice H2O, which gives 2OH minus plus H2, 0.41 volt. This is second, while H2O, here I show reduction and oxidation. Here is photochemical cleavage. Here is reduction and oxidation. So H2O, which gives twice H plus half O2 plus 2 electron, 0.82 volt. We can say it as a reaction number 3. Okay, so water does not absorb visible light. Water does not absorb visible light, but one could envision a sequence of reaction that utilizes ruthenium bipyridine 3 2 plus as a photosensitizer for decomposition. Okay, so now I will show here the decomposition of ruthenium complex, which act as a photosensitizer, means which is utilized in a photosensitizer, which utilized as a photosensitizer. So the first step would be the absorption of solar energy by ruthenium complex. So let's see the first step. Ruthenium by pyridine 2 plus H nu ruthenium star by pyridine 3 2 plus. Okay, so this is your fourth number reaction. Okay, as we know that water does not absorb visible light, so here I show the first step is the absorption of solar energy by ruthenium complex. Here is absorption of solar energy by ruthenium complex, which gives ruthenium star bipyridine 3 2 plus. Okay, the excited state cation has the potential to reduce water now. The excited state cation, now this cation has to reduce water now. Okay, so I show like this. Remember reaction number 1 where we show photochemical cleavage of water. Then we shown that the oxidation and reduction of water. Then the photochemical absorption of energy by ruthenium complex. Now show the excited state of cation that has the potential to reduce water. So we can show like this. This is the excited state cation of ruthenium complex by pyridine 3 2 plus, which gives 2 ruthenium by pyridine 3 3 plus 2 electron. Okay, we can say it as a fifth number. We can give fifth number reaction. Okay, so 2 electron plus twice H2O, which gives 2OH minus plus H2. This is sixth number. This is the excited state of cation which has potential to reduce water. So which gives 2 star ruthenium. So we can write it as a 2 ruthenium star by pyridine 3 2 plus twice H2O, because 2 electron is cancelled here and 2 electron is cancelled here. So it gives product, that is 2 ruthenium by pyridine 3 3 plus 2 OH minus plus H2. It comes to 0.45. This is nothing but the excited state cation has potential to reduce water. Here is reduction of water which done by this excited state ruthenium complex. Okay, the ruthenium bipyridine 3 3 plus generated in reaction where, see, this is generated in this reaction, ruthenium bipyridine 3 3 plus could then oxidize water. Now this complex is able to oxidize water, so we can write, so this complex is now able to oxidize water. Ruthenium bipyridine 3 3 plus 2 electron, which gives twice ruthenium bipyridine 3 2 plus. So this complex is able to oxidize water. 1/2 O2 twice H plus and 2 electron. 8 number, 9 number. Okay, so we can write it as a, again here 2 electron get cancelled. So 2 ruthenium bipyridine 3 3 plus H2O, which gives 2 ruthenium bipyridine 3 2 plus 1/2 O2 plus 2H plus. Okay, which gives 0.44 volt, because here is 1.26 volt and minus 0.82 volt, which gives 0.44 volt. Okay student, so in overall reactions, the ruthenium complex is act as a catalytic activity, or act as a plays as a catalytic nature. Okay student, so this is about the excited state of outer sphere electron transfer reaction, where if in case in exam you will ask as a problem, that is explain the excited state of outer sphere electron transfer reactions. So first of all you have to draw diagram of ruthenium where we show the excited state of ruthenium. After that you have to explain some basic concepts related with that diagram, and then you have to show first of all photochemical cleavage of water, after that reduction and oxidation of water, then the fourth step that shows the absorption of solar energy by ruthenium complex, which gives the excited state ruthenium complex, and then that excited state cation has potential to reduce water, and then finally the a complex means this complex ruthenium bipyridine 3 3 plus, which is able to oxidize water. This is our final step. Okay student, so thank you so much for attending today's lecture, and in next lecture we will discuss the we will discuss the electron transfer reactions. Thank you.